This is the World Industrial News for Tuesday, August 11th. Brought to you by Industrial Info Resources of Sugar Land, Texas. The August 2026 National Significant Wildland Fire Potential Outlook shows above normal fire potential across a broad portion of the western and north-central United States. Additionally, a developing area of concern across the Southern Plains and lower Mississippi Valley could have important implications for the energy and industrial sectors. U.S. wildfire activity accelerated sharply during the second half of July following major lightning outbreaks in the Northwest. The national preparedness level increased to 5 on July 18th, while more than 6 million acres had burned nationwide by July 31st. This is approximately 165% of the previous 10-year average. According to Industrial Info Resources analysis, the areas of elevated August fire potential overlap several of the nation's most important power and industrial regions. Last Friday, the Trump administration convened a mining summit where the president touted billions of dollars of government investments in metals and minerals companies in order to boost critical and strategic mineral production and processing. He also announced the government was investing $180 million in domestic mining colleges to strengthen and rebuild domestic higher education in mining and supply chain management. Calumet Incorporated, which operates 4 refineries and 2 lube oil processors in the U.S., is optimistic about the future of sustainable aviation fuel, for which it is adding capacity at one of its major facilities. However, executives acknowledged ongoing violence in the Middle East is affecting the market for base oils. Industrial Info Resources is tracking more than $900 million worth of active and proposed projects from Calumet, about 75% of which is attributed to its refinery in Great Falls, Montana. Military weapons are a fact of life, and conflicts pulling on U.S. resources in Ukraine and the Middle East are providing reasons for U.S. guided and ballistic missile manufacturers to step up to the plate with multiple construction projects. Recent news reports indicate stocks of U.S. missiles and their components have been substantially depleted. Industrial Info Resources data indicate at least $4.5 billion worth of current construction and future projects planned at U.S. missile manufacturing plants. Argentina's copper projects could lift output to 1.5 million tons by 2035, supplying 15% of the global deficit and making the country a top 5 copper producer. Meanwhile, the country's RIHI scheme continues to attract investments as copper prices remain high. For details on these and other breaking news, read the full stories at industrialinfo.com. I'm Christine Ramos, reporting for Industrial Info News.